Namaste friend, I am Vijay. Today I am going to teach you a asana class in your third day of detox. So today's class is very gentle flow, we doing it. Here I am going to try to add everything, little bit pranayama and asana practice together. So sit comfortably, both sitting bones resting on the mat or on the ground properly. Keep your spine straight. Your back, neck, head should be straight in one line. Relax your shoulder completely and slowly joining the both palms in front of your chest. Namaskar Mudra. Very gently close the eyes. Upper eyelid touch the lower eyelid and relax your eyeball. Take a few deep breaths in and out here. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Now we're starting the class with the one Om all together. Om is a universal sound and a deep meditation sound. So take a deep inhale. Then slowly rub the palm. Make a heat between the both palms. Rub the palm little bit more fastly, more vigorously, and then slowly cover the eyes, cover the face, receive the warmness, receive the energy, and then slowly once again joining the both palms in front of the chest. Exhale, slowly bow your head down and gently open the eyes. Namaste, and we starting this class. Now slowly placing the both palms on your knees and start making circle first clockwise. We're making a 3 times the circle clockwise and trying to warming up our spine, warming up our hips. And now we're changing, we're going to anti-clockwise. Left to right, one. And slowly start activating our body, our mind, preparing them for doing a nice and gentle flow. Then slowly coming back. Now we're starting with the neck rotation now next. Now in this neck rotation, what we doing? We trying to doing the neck rotation with the sound of humming bee, because humming bee sound has a naturally calming the minds and the nervous system. It helping in balancing the hormones also. So what we doing? We making a one humming bee sound and doing a 2 times necks up and down. Same thing we doing again, one humming bee sound, turning the neck side to side 2 times in this way. So you have to follow with me. So taking a deep inhale. Now again inhale. Now bringing the ear close to the shoulder. Again take a deep inhale, making a humming bee sound and bringing the ear close to the shoulder. Now we're making a circle here, clockwise, anti-clockwise, with the humming bee sound and 2 rounds. Now with the inhale, bringing the neck up. Now doing anti-clockwise, inhale, chin up. Now slowly doing the warm up our shoulder. So inhale, bring the shoulder close to the ear, and exhale through the mouth, forcefully shoulder down. Inhale, exhale. It helps to release all the tension out from the shoulder. Inhale and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale, bring the shoulder more close to the ear, and exhale forcefully. Very nice. Now slowly start shaking the hands, bringing the hands up, slowly bringing the hands down. Try to keep shaking the hands, loosening the muscles, not tightening the muscles. Try to keep shaking the hands, and then release. Now we're going for the side stretch for the lateral flexion. So inhale, bringing the both hand side in line with the shoulder blade, and exhale, taking the right palm on the right side and stretching the left hand over the ear. We're repeating these things 6 times. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, going to the left side. Keep going on. Inhale and exhale to the right. Now 3 more. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, going to the left side. Now 2 more. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, going to the right side, and this time we holding the posture here. Try to stretch the left hand over the ear. Feel that the stretch is coming from pelvic bone to the armpit, armpit to the fingertips. Make sure that your knee is not lifting. Keep pushing it down for the external rotation of the hip. 2 and 3. Now inhale, back to the center, and exhale, slowly stretching the left hand over the ear. Looking front, either looking to the palm. Make sure that both shoulders should be in one line. Relax here completely. 2. Keep breathing, revolving the torso up toward the ceiling side. Keep sucking the belly in. And 3. Now inhale, back to the center. Exhale, slowly placing the both palms on your knees. Now we're going for axial rotation for twisting. Very important. Twisting is helpful in removing the toxins out from the intestine. So inhale, raise the both hands up toward the ceiling side, and exhale, very gently twist to the right side. Very nice. Now inhale again, raise the both hands up. Exhale, right palm on the left knee, left hand behind the back, and gently twist to the left side. Now inhale, back to the center. Exhale, again twist to the right side. You can look front, either you can look back, how you feel comfortable. Inhale and exhale, twist towards the left side. Now 2 more times. Inhale and exhale, twist to the right side. This time we holding the posture for the 2 breath. Inhale, lengthening the spine. Exhale, twist more. This posture is very good for spine also, and try to making your spine healthy and stronger. Now inhale, back to the center, and exhale, twist to the left side. Now stay there for few breaths. 1, 2 and 3. Now inhale, back to the center, and exhale, slowly palms out. Now turning towards the legs, slowly straight the legs, shaking the legs, shaking the hamstring, and then again doing the simple cross. Now we're changing this. Now working on the knee flexibility, mobility. Now inhale, straight the leg. Exhale, cross the leg, changing the leg. We're doing few times. Inhale, front. Exhale, changing the leg, crossing the leg. Now last one. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. Now from here we're going towards the table now. Now from here what we're doing, inhale, raise the both hands up, and exhale, extend the spine halfway for the axial extension. and slowly pressing the palms, lifting the buttock, opening the legs, tucking the toes in, and adjusting the knees. Now both knees under the hips and both hands under the shoulder. Now few rounds of cat and cow pose. Inhale, arch your back, and exhale, curve your spine, round your spine toward the ceiling side. Again, inhale, arch your back, very good for increase the flexibility of your spine. Exhale, curve your spine, round your spine, very good for the lower back pain. We're doing few more rounds. Inhale, arching the back. Exhale, curve your spine. Last final one. Inhale, arch your back, and exhale, curve your spine and round your spine and stay there for a few breaths. One, try to feel that you are in the position of cat. Two and three. Inhale, arch your back, look front, and exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Now from here in Vajrasana, inhale, raise the both hands up, and exhale, full forward bend, head to the knee, head towards the ground. Now inhale, again come to the table. Exhale, tucking the toes in and going to Adho Mukha, downward facing dog, and start pendling the leg and activating our leg channels. So keep pendling the legs for the 10 times. One, two, try to stretch the whole body here. Three, this Adho Mukha, downward facing dog, is giving a complete stretch to the whole body here. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now adjust the feet, turning the toes in, heels out, pressing it completely. Now from here, inhale, rising the heel, exhale, bend the knees, roll the butt down, looking front, and slowly bringing the one leg front, second leg front for Uttanasana B. Now exhale, slowly grabbing the elbow and relaxing here. Try to activating the leg channels, try to activating our spine, and try to giving a complete stretch from bottom of your heels to the back of the head. Slowly swinging the body side to side, gently waking the body here, and then very gently with inhale, come up with a curved spine. Take your time, take your time, take your time, very slowly, no hurry, and then slowly roll your shoulder back and slowly hands down. Now from here, slowly start shaking the legs, shaking the hands. Try, you can jump little bit also. Try to activating your channels. You can shaking the hands up. Either you can do any jumping which you like it. Either you can walk on your mat how you want. If you are doing in a room, you can walk in your rooms. Just try to running it little bit here, jumping, doing these things helping in activating your channels. Try to improving the circulation of blood in your system. So keep jumping which you feel good. You can bring the hands up, you can do the dancing which you feel it comfortable. So keep shaking the body here at least for the 30 seconds. Try to loosening the muscles, not tightening the muscles. And now from here, slowly we release, shaking the legs a little bit. And now from here, we're going to do a sun salutation flow. And here I'm going to add few sequence here. So in every sun salutation round, I will do some little bit changing in the postures. Okay, so bring the both feet together, either little bit open it. Very important, feel comfortable. That's very important. So stand comfortably. You know it, pull the kneecap up, engaging the quadriceps, squeezing the buttock, pull the pelvis up, rolling the buttock down, suck the belly in, opening the chest. Then first bend the elbow, roll the shoulder back. So complete opening the chest, extending the arms. Finger pointing towards the floor side, palm facing towards the thigh side. Slowly lift your head up, so chin parallel to the floor here. And take a few deep breaths in and out. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale Exhale, completely relax yourself before starting the sun salutation. Now inhale, exhale, joining the both palms in front of your chest. Inhale, raise the both hands up, slightly arching the back, pushing the buttock and pelvic front. You can keep looking front, either back. And exhale, slowly bend forward, head to the knees, very gently, don't need to force. If it's hard straight leg, you can bend the knees also, no problem. Now inhale, kicking the right leg back, stretch the right leg back, drop the knees, flatter feet on the ground. Inhale, raise the hand up, slightly arching back for Chandrasana. Exhale, slowly press the both palms on the mat, tucking the right toes in. Inhale, go to the plank, Santulan Asana. Exhale, dropping the knees, chest chin, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, comfort, Bhujang Asana, Cobra pose. Exhale, go back to Parvat Asana, mountain pose, both feet together. Now from here, inhale, bring the right leg front, stretch the left leg, drop the knees. Inhale, once again, comfort, Chandrasana, slightly arching back, look back, either look front, which you feel comfortable. Exhale, slowly press the palm. For the advanced people, for the beginner, use the cup safe fingertips. Tuck the left toes in and inhale, bring the left leg front to meet the right leg. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale from advanced people, stretch the hand front side. Beginner people, bending the knees, stretching the hands, and inhale, come up, slightly arching the back. Exhale, slowly joining the both palms in front of the chest, and slowly both hands side for Samasthiti. Now doing with the left leg and adding one more new posture in the same things. So inhale, exhale, Namaskar Sthiti. Inhale, raise the both hands up, slightly arch back, pushing the buttock and pelvic front, heavy heels on the mat. Exhale, very slowly bend forward from the hip joints and full forward bend, head to the knees. Now inhale, this time kicking the left leg back. Stretch the leg back, drop the knees, flatter feet on the ground. Inhale, go for Chandrasana, only holding for one breath. Inhale. Now exhale, right palm on the right thigh for the external rotation and slowly stretching the left hand over the ear. A very good stretch coming from the swas muscles here. Stay there for 3 breaths. Keep breathing. 1. Keep sinking the buttock more down towards the floor side. 2 and 3. Now inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, slowly press the palm, fingers apart, heavy palms. Tuck the left toes in. Inhale, come to the plank, Santulan Asana. Exhale, dropping the knees, chest chin, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, push forward, come for Bhujang Asana, Cobra pose. Exhale, slowly go back, bring the feet together and come for Parvat Asana, mountain pose. Now from here, inhale, bring the left leg front, stretch the right leg back, drop the knees. Inhale, again Chandrasana for 1 breath. Inhale and exhale, taking the left palm to pushing the left leg inward and slowly stretching the right hand over the ear. 2, sinking the buttock more down. And 3. Inhale, raise the hands up. Exhale, press the palm for advanced. Use the cup safe fingertips for the beginner and intermediate. Tucking the right toes in and slowly bringing the right leg front to meet your left leg. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, straight leg, either bended leg, all the way come up. Slightly arching the back. And exhale, Namaskar Sthiti and Samasthiti. Try to stop here for a few seconds and relaxing. Try to normalizing the breath. So take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale, nose and exhale, mouth. Last time, deep inhale and exhale, mouth. Now again starting the same thing with the right leg, and now this time we adding one more new posture in this same flow. So again, inhale, exhale, namaskar sthiti. Inhale, comfort, hasta uttanasana, slightly arch back. Exhale, very gently, slowly bend forward from the hip joints, head to the knees. Inhale, kicking the right leg back. Exhale, drop the knees, flat your feet on the ground. Again, first Chandrasana, inhale. Exhale, straight the spine, slightly going for the side stretch. Inhale, come up. Exhale, press the palm, and now we adding one more posture. Inhale, stretch the left hand up. This is helping for revolving the torso, opening the chest, working on your Anahata chakra. Exhale very gently, pushing the buttock down, helping in your Muladhara chakra. 2 and 3. Exhale, press the palm, tucking the right toes in. Inhale, come for plank, Santulan Asana. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come for either Bhujang Asana with a straight hand. Exhale, go back to Parvat Asana, mountain pose, both feet together. Now inhale, bring the right leg front. Exhale, drop the knees. Now inhale with the one breath, Chandrasana. Exhale, going for the side stretch. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, heavy palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch the right hand up. Look up, look on the side where you feel comfortable. Now stay there for 3 breaths. 1. Try to revolving the torso more towards the ceiling side, either towards the sky side. Here what we doing? We doing twisting. This is helping in for removing the toxins out from the intestine. 2 and 3. Exhale, press the palm, tuck the left toes in, and slowly bringing the left leg front to meet the right leg. Head to the knees. Inhale, bended leg, either straight leg, all the way come up. Slightly arching the back. Exhale, Namaskar Sthiti, Samast Sthiti. Relax here for a few breaths. Take a few deep breaths in and the best way to relaxing fastly is that inhale nose, exhale mouth. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Now we going with the left leg. Again we adding one more posture here. Now inhale, exhale, Namaskar Sthiti. Inhale, comfort, Hasta Uttanasana, slightly arching back. Exhale, very gently, full forward bend, head to the knees. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, drop the knees. First Chandrasana. We doing here repetitions of the posture, so in this way our muscles can get the memories. Exhale, going for the side stretch. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, press the palm. Inhale, right hand up, opening the chest. Now we working on opening the hips. Exhale, right palm on the right thigh and pushing the knee outward. So it helping in opening the pelvic, working on opening the hips also here. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, bring the right leg back. Exhale, press the palm. Inhale, come to the plank, Santulan Asana. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, comfort, Bhujang Asana, Cobra pose. Exhale, go back to Parvat Asana, mountain pose, both feet together. Stay there, relax there, a few breaths. 1 and 2. Now inhale, left leg front, Exhale, drop the knees. Inhale, comfort, Chandrasana. Exhale, going for the side stretch. Inhale, raise the hands up. Exhale, press the palm, heavy palms on the mat. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, left palm on the left thigh and pushing the knee out. Opening the pelvic, opening the hips. Keep pushing the pelvic more down towards the floor side. 2, 3. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, press the palm. Tucking the toes in with the inhale, bring the right leg front. Exhale, head to the knees. Inhale, bended leg, either straight leg. All the way come up, slightly arching back. Exhale, Namaskar Sthiti and Samasthiti. Relax here for few breaths. Again, take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Keep smiling. Inhale and exhale. Try to be happy for whatever you're doing it. Very important. Happiness should be there. Inhale and exhale. Now we're doing adding one more here things, and now I'm changing a little bit the angle here. Now from here, slowly once again come to the front of the mat. Both hands side, open the chest. Inhale, exhale, Namaskar Sthiti. Inhale, raise the both hands up and slightly arch back, pushing the buttock and pelvic front side. Heavy heels. Exhale, slowly bend forward from the hip joints and slowly head to the knees. Inhale from here, kicking the right leg back. Exhale, drop the knees. Inhale, going for the Chandrasana. Exhale, going for the side stretch. Inhale, raise the hands up. Exhale, press the palm. Inhale, taking the left hand up. Exhale, taking the left leg, knee down. Good. Stay there for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Now from here, what we doing? Taking our left leg to the center of the mat. Look, my back leg, heels completely turning to the right side, and we going for the modification side plank. 1, 2, and 3. Now slowly pressing the palms, lifting the both leg heels and going to the plank, Santulan Asana. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujang Asana. Exhale, going back to Parvat Asana, mountain pose, both feet together. Stay there for few breaths. 1, 2, 3. Now this time, inhale, bringing the right leg front. Exhale, drop the knees. Inhale, comfort, Chandrasana first. Exhale, coming for the side stretch. Inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, press the palm. Inhale, taking the right hand up, opening the chest. Exhale, pushing the right knee down, working on opening the hips and the pelvic. Now from here, try to bring the right leg to the center of the mat. Completely turning the left heels to the left side, lifting the knee. Inhale, revolving the torso, stretching the hand up. And slowly stretching the hand over the ear. 1, holding here for 3 breaths. 2, and 3. Exhale, press the palm first, then slowly lifting the heels, coming to the plank, Santulan Asana. Exhale, dropping the knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, come for Bhujang Asana, Cobra pose. Exhale from here, going to the child pose and relaxing. You can bring the hands front side, either you can bring the both hands back side. So do which you feel comfortable and relaxing. You can rest the forehead, you can rest the face one side, either other side, which you feel comfortable. Stay there for 5 breaths. Take 5 deep breaths in and out and try to normalize your breath. Relax your abdominal completely on your thigh, giving a massage to your internal organs. Try to giving a gentle stretch to the spine and keep relaxing. Now from here, slowly stretching the hand front side. Inhale, looking front. Exhale, slowly coming back and sitting in Vajrasana. Here we're relaxing for a few breaths. Try watching and observing our breathing condition and the body. Then very gently opening the eyes, slowly tilting the buttock to the one side, to the right side, and slowly straightening the leg. Now we're going towards the Savasana. So first shaking the legs, shaking the hamstring, and then from here slowly right leg heels touching the outer skin of the mat and left heels touching the left side outer of the mat. And from here very slowly we're taking the support and gently going back. Adjust yourself. And now from here slowly both hands 5 centimeter away from the body, palm facing toward the ceiling side, right leg toes turning to the right side, left leg toes turning to the left side. Now eyes closed and try to relax your body here completely. Now 3 minutes Savasana in complete silence. So stay there for 3 minutes. Don't try to sleep. Just try to be aware of your breathing conditions, soft inhalation, soft exhalation, and try to lose your body completely. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Again, take deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Then slowly start moving your toes, your fingers, your ankles, your neck, and slowly start activating your whole body. Then slowly bring the both feet together, pointing the toes, stretching the both hands over the head, either interlocking the finger, and inhale, stretch your whole body, top to bottom, bottom to top, and exhale, relax. Then slowly bending the knees, hugging the legs, turning a little bit side to side for giving a massage to your back and abdominal organs. And then slowly completely turn to the right side, using the right hand as a pillow. Then slowly gently pressing the left palm on the floor and inhale, push yourself up, and then sit comfortably in any meditative posture. Vajrasana, Sukhasana, Padmasana, Virasana, any meditative posture. Sit comfortably, keeping the spine straight. Now we're finishing the class, slowly joining the both palms in front of the chest. We're going to finish the class with the 1 Om and 3 Shanti together. So take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palm, make a heat between the both palms. Rub the palm vigorously, fastly to generate more heat. And then slowly receive the energy from the face, neck, chest, abdominal, shoulder, both hands, your back, your hips, thighs, knees, shin bone. Then inhale, raise the both hands up, and exhale slowly, gently, full forward bend. And now gently open the eyes downside. Then inhale, looking front. Exhale, slowly coming back. Now inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, gently twist to the right side. Feel the difference. Feel the lightness in your body. Don't need to force here. Inhale, come up. Exhale, gently twist to the left side. Don't need to force, just feel the lightness in the body. Then inhale, raise the both hands up. Exhale, joining the palm. Slowly bow your head down. Say Namaste to Mother Earth. Namaste to Mother Ganga. Namaste to all the great yogis. Namaste to your friends and family members. And very important, Namaste to ourselves. Now the class is finished. So thank you so much for watching this and practicing yoga with me. Have a great and lovely day. Namaste.